Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So for today's look, it's another beauty look, a beauty slash Halloween sort of style look, and it is based on one of my favourite films of all time. So right, we're gonna start straight away and get on with these eyebrows. Same stuff every time, guys. Now the eyebrows are on. P. Louise Roomy base in 0.5. Let's base these eyes. Guys, so now your base is in place, you are going to want to take a black eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the shade Spooky from the James Charles palette, as it's the closest palette to me, and we're going to put it in our outer corner of our eye. Right, now I'm going to take the Morphe 35N palette and use this grey colour here, just to blend out that black. So now we're going to cut the crease, guys. Only halfway though, just where the black is, but I am going to need to put some more base on. So back in with the P. Louise base. So now the crease is partially cut, I'm going to take the Revolution Salvation palette and use this luminous green shade right here, just to go over the top. Now we're going to go back in with the black and the grey shades just to blend out that harsh line. Now it's time for the tricky part, guys, so getting your liquid eyeliner or black face pen and a very small detail brush. We are going to draw Oogie Boogie on the green section, so let's get to it. Just a heads up though, guys, this one did get a little bit like lost in transit, thrown around a little bit, so it doesn't look as good as this one, because this one is my weaker eye, so when I'm trying to do little detailed drawings I do struggle a little, but they don't look too bad. I have paired up with lashes, and I've done my waterline using the black and the grey and also the green, if you can see. Now let's get this face sorted. Time for contour. Little bit of the Revolution Strobe highlighter in Flash, because it's got a little bit of a green tinge to it and it will go with the eyes. So now guys, the final thing to do is the lips, so I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede, and I think it's shade Cherry. Hold on, I'll tell you. Cherry Skies, that's the one it is. I'm going to be using this on my lips. If I wasn't in isolation at the moment, I would go out and buy some black lipstick, some better black lipstick, because the one before was shocking, so I'm going to be using this. Now we have it guys, this is the Oogie Boogie look. I hope you all really enjoy this tutorial. If you can, send me some pictures of you attempting it, but please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the absolute world. I am above 100 now, which thank you so much to everyone who is already supporting, and I will now see you all in the next video. Bye guys.